power. Stretching is important.
So this jump for snap kick is for height. So you have to try kick higher. You understand? Come on,
That's right.
after you one step up, look at this. Your knee up like that. You have to try as high as you can. Try over your head. And opposite arm. Like that.
Super Mario. 뿅뿅.
Yes.
뿅.
Like that. Like that.
뿅.
Then you get more height, more momentum into your kick. So you go higher. You can kick higher. You know what I'm saying? If you stop your leg, come on. If you stop your leg, you come on. If you bring me up like this, so, 하나, two. Number one. One. 하나. One. Number two. Me up.
Whoa. Oh.
Me up as high as you can. As high as you can. One.
Whoa.
This one.
Oh. Say yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh.
This is higher than you can.
Oh. Oh. So you have to be a Super Mario, guys. Super Mario. Super Mario. Super Mario. Higher. Hey, come on. Higher. Higher. Come on, higher. Oh. Come on. Oh, yeah. Yes. Oh. Backflip.